In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calendar invite in Outlook 2025 step by step. We're going to send a calendar sharing invitation in Outlook so others can view, and if you allow it, even manage your calendar. This is perfect for coordinating schedules with teammates, clients, or family. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Microsoft Outlook site to open Outlook on the web. Using the web version keeps the experience consistent across devices and it's up to date with the 2025 interface. Next, sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct account for the calendar you want to share, personal or work. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that so you're fully signed in. Once you land on your Outlook homepage, look to the left side and select Calendar. If your left panel is collapsed, hover or click to expand it. The calendar icon looks like a small date grid. This switches you from mail to your schedule. Now, in the calendar view, find the specific calendar you want to share. You might see multiple calendars, like your default calendar, shared calendars, or other color-coded ones. Hover over the calendar's name and click the three dots, sometimes called More Options. This opens the menu for that specific calendar, so you don't change settings for the wrong one. From that menu, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a panel where you control who can see your calendar and what they can do with it. Think of this as the hub for sending your calendar invite and managing access later. In the sharing field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Outlook typically suggests contacts as you type. Double check the address to avoid sharing with the wrong person, especially if your organization has similar names. You can add more than one person by entering addresses one after another. Next, pick the permission level. You'll see options ranging from basic availability viewing to full details, and in some cases, the ability to edit or act as a delegate. Choose what fits the situation. Simple availability for general coordination, full details for close collaborators, or editing if someone needs to help manage your schedule. You can always adjust this later. Finally, click Share. Outlook will send an invitation by email, and the recipient can accept to add your calendar to their view. If they don't see it right away, remind them to check their inbox filters or junk folder. You can return to sharing and permissions anytime to change or remove access. And that's it. Your calendar invite is sent and you're ready to collaborate more smoothly.